Hey all, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel, Wall of Coding. So today I'm going to deploy a machine learning model inside a Docker container. So first, what is Docker? Docker is a containerized platform that packages all its application and its dependencies inside a Docker container. So I'm going to show the dataset that I'm going to use today. So this is a simple dataset. It is having a years of experience column and a salary. So a person having a 1.1 years of experience, he has this following salary. So I've written a simple code inside a model.py. The library that I'm going to use is pandas. It is used to load the dataset. The model that I'm going to use is linear regression. Train test split is used for splitting the data in the following percentage. So a trained dataset has 80% of record and test dataset has a 20% of record. So if you are familiar with the machine learning model, you might find this code very simple. So finally, after training the model on my trained dataset and dumping the variable into a salary model.pickle file using a joblib.dump command. Okay, and this is the predict notebook. I'm gonna use first load the machine learning model, okay, and take the input from the user, and corresponding to that input it will print the salary. So, and again, this is the requirement. These are the libraries that I'm going to use uh, in order to run that machine learning model. So these are the libraries that are required in order to run that Python notebook. So let's begin. Let's check the status Docker whether it is running or not. Oh, okay. As you can see, my Docker is running. So let's run our container. Let's give a container name ml container, and the image that I'm going to use is CentOS. Yes. Um, okay, I have to pass the name of a container inside this. This is the image name, and this is the name of the container. So I'm finally inside my container. So first we need to install Python. Apart from that, since I will clone this repository, so I need to even install Git. So it is installing Python and Git inside my container. It might take some time depending upon the internet speed. Okay, it is asking for the version. I'm gonna give Python 3.8 version. Now it is installing Python. Earlier I have just provided Python. I haven't provided the Python version. Uh, Now I'm gonna git clone my repository, which is this. I will copy this URL, paste it. So it will create a folder named Docker. I'm gonna go inside it. So I'm gonna run my model.py. So what it will do, it will save the weights of the linear regression model, and that we okay. First, we need to install the packages if required. Install -r requirements. So now it is installing the various libraries that we have specified. So it has downloaded our required dependencies. Now it's time to run our model. So these are the saved weights of my model. Now let's predict the salary depending upon the experience. So it will ask for the years of experience. I will give 4. So this is the corresponding salary in dollars. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Let's give a person having 15 years of experience. It has a following salary. So hope you like this video.